In this video I'm going to show you how to earn money with the dApp network. dApp is a cryptocurrency that you can stake on the dApp network, and earn 1% interest on every day. I will walk you through all the necessary steps, from installing and configuring your Metamask wallet, to buying and depositing dApp tokens in the smart contract. If you prefer to read about how to use dApp to make money instead of watching this video, go download this dApp ebook guide in PDF format. dApp is one of the best performing and sustainable dApps on the Binance Smart Chain. It allows you to compound your daily earnings at whatever time scale suits you, be it daily, weekly or monthly, and the more you compound, the more your daily earnings will increase. It's important to understand that when you deposit dApp, it will stay there forever. You can't withdraw it back to your wallet. You can only earn your initial investment back at a rate of 1% a day, minus tax, but you will grow your dApp fast by compounding or hydrating your interest every day. dApp is a smart contract. A smart contract is locked and nobody can change it when deployed on the blockchain. Even the person who wrote the contract code can't do anything with it once the contract is released. The dApp contract runs on the Binance Smart Chain, so you will need the Metamask wallet to get involved in the dApp network. If you don't have Metamask on your computer installed already, check out the Metamask video tutorial on the CryptoCoiners channel. I will leave the link below in the description box. Once you have the Metamask wallet installed, we need to connect our wallet to the Binance Smart Chain. To do it, watch the other video on the CryptoCoiners channel. Next, we need some BNB tokens to pay for the gas fees. When you make a transaction on the Binance Smart Chain, or any other network, you have to pay a small fee. This fee is nothing compared to the expensive Ethereum fees, so don't worry too much about this. You can buy BNB tokens on Binance, or any other crypto exchange. I prefer to use Binance, as they have the lowest fees, and if you use BNB to pay your trading fees, then you get an extra discount. I have a Binance referral link below. If you use this link to open an account, you will get a 20% discount on all your trades, so please use my link if you want to save some money. If you have bought some BNB, you need to send it to your Metamask wallet address, so you can use the BNB tokens to buy dApp. Now before you can use the contract, you need to register with a buddy link. dApp is built on a buddy or referral system, so you need a buddy address first to join. If you're looking for a buddy address, I'd be more than happy to give you my buddy link, and add you to my team. Copy and paste the address in the buddy field, click update, and you will be good. Now why should you use my buddy link? Well, because I give away free dApp tokens to all my team members with my weekly airdrops, so you get extra dApp tokens without doing anything. These free dApp tokens are instantly sent to your rewards pool, so you cannot take the dApp out. That's a good thing, as it will help you to earn your investment back sooner, and the taxes will support the ecosystem. The only requirement to get free dApp from my airdrops is to invest at least 5 dApp in the contract. If you only put in 1 dApp to get my airdrops, then you will not get a share of the free dApp. That's the only requirement I ask. Of course, if you compound your 1 dApp every day, and get to 5 dApp, then I will include you in my airdrops. Now you can go to the swap page to buy your dApp tokens. The swap page is the best place to buy dApp at the lowest rate with your BNB. It's important to understand that when you deposit dApp, it will stay there forever. You can't withdraw it back to your wallet. You can only earn your initial investment back at a rate of 1% a day, minus tax, but you will grow your dApp fast by compounding or hydrating your interest every day. dApp is a smart contract. A smart contract is locked and nobody can change it when deployed on the blockchain. Even the person who wrote the contract code can't do anything with it once the contract is released. dApp really is a fabulous system, and I haven't seen anything like this elsewhere online. dApp launched in early 2021 and the price back then was only $3, and now the price is $25. There will only be 1 million dApp tokens created, so the market cap is 25 million. dApp is the utility token on the smart faucet contract, and not just another meme coin. It's like a money printer on the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem that rewards people for holding dApp in their wallet. If you have bought your dApp tokens, head over to the dApp faucet, and add your dApp there to let it go to work for you. Select the maximum amount to add to the faucet, and when done, all you need to do is compound your interest once per day. The DRIP smart contract is able to pay 1% interest daily through collecting tax fees. You get charged a fee when you buy DRIP and a tax fee every time you compound. This fee goes into the faucet pool that is used to pay out interest to all the players. It's important to note that your initial deposit is locked up and you cannot withdraw it. However, you will receive a payout on that amount at 1% per day for 365 days. So if you claim every day for 100 days, or wait for 100 days, you will have your money back, and still have a further 265 days of payouts. But, there is a better way by using the power of compounding interest. If you compound your daily available DRIP payment instead of withdrawing it, you will get an amazing 3,678% return on your investment. Let's suppose that you put in $100. The first day you get 1% on your initial deposit of $100, the second day you get 1% of your $101, the third day you'll receive 1% interest on $102.01, then on $103.03, and so on. So if you compound daily, you would end up with $3,678 in your account instead of only $365. DRIP is able to sustain these 1% payouts by charging each transaction a tax fee. When you deposit DRIP you pay 10% tax, when you withdraw DRIP you pay 10% tax, but when you compound you only pay 5% tax. In reality, this means you're only getting 0.95% daily interest. But that's still not a bad deal, right? You can choose to withdraw the DRIP in your available balance to your Metamask wallet, or go to the swap page and exchange your DRIP for BNB, which you can then withdraw to your wallet. The payment is in DRIP and not in dollars, so you'll have the opportunity to benefit from any price rises, as well as suffer from price falls, but the tokenomics of scarcity, deflation, and incentives to hold DRIP will make people want to invest in DRIP for a long time. DRIP also allows you to build a team from referrals, which can accelerate your earnings by giving you a 10% bonus every time they deposit or hydrate. Among the 10% deposit bonus there are also other bonuses that you can enjoy from being in a good team, including airdrops and hydrate bonuses. This is something that is totally up to you if you want to do it or not. There is zero pressure from anyone to refer people, and it is not a requirement for you to make money. It's simply an option if you want to accelerate your earnings, as well as building a team of people that you can enjoy your successes with together. That's it. I hope you can see the potential of this token. If you have questions regarding something that isn't clear, leave a message below and I will get back to you. And please don't forget, this is crypto. Nothing is guaranteed, so always do your own research before you invest your money in a project. I am not a financial advisor, so please don't copy what I do, but make your own decisions and never invest money that you can't afford to lose in any project. If this video helps you to understand the DRIP network, and how it can make you some good money, please consider using my buddy address in the buddy referral field. If you like crypto and want to find out about other money-making crypto websites and dApps, take a moment to subscribe to the CryptoCoiners YouTube channel. They have a lot of interesting tips and videos on how to profit from your crypto, and the owner is a great guy who's always available to offer help when you have a question. I will leave the link to his YouTube channel below. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get the latest videos first. Have a wonderful day.